Explorers, Kitty Explorer here, and I'm back for the third week of behind the scenes with a photographer and what I do after a photo shoot. So week one, I told you exactly what I did right after the photo shoot. So I came home, I got the photos off the memory card, put them on my computer, and sent the proofs to the client for them to select which one should be edited. Then last week, in week two, I showed you what I did after the client shows their proofs. Now week three, they have the proofs, the selections that the client picked were edited. And that's what we're gonna do now. So let's head on over to the computer so you can see what I do next. Let's go. So what happens first after sending the photos to the editor for editing? The editor actually sends the photos back in a zipped folder as the files are quite big through Dropbox or WeTransfer. When I receive the zip folder, I download it and then I have to use the archive utility to unzip that folder. I then go through each of the photos and open them up into Photoshop so I can compare the original photo as they keep that in there with the edited version. And sometimes there's some things that I may want to tweak, so I will do that as well as I review each of the photos. After I review each of the photos, I will go and make any tweaks that I see necessary, usually little tweaks that I probably forgot to mention for the editor to do, or maybe something that I just want to change, a personal preference. And once that's done, I flatten the layers because you have to do that in order for it to save properly. And then I usually save it into a TIFF format so I can make sure I keep the original Photoshop file just in case the client wants to change something after reviewing them. After reviewing the photos in Photoshop and making any little tweaks that I want and saving those files into TIFF format, I bring them to Lightroom so I can update the catalog for her photos or my client's photos. So sometimes I do go in here and I compare the before and after in these photos because I may have seen something in Photoshop that I just wanted to edit in Lightroom, but that's not always the case and it's very rare. So after I finish doing this, I select only the TIFF formatted photos and I will save them or export them to a folder called Edited. And I will save these in a JPEG format and I will save it with a resolution of 300 and saving it as glossy paper. And I do this because in ShootProof, I can upload the photos for a print. So that's why I select glossy paper, but then in ShootProof, I can reduce the resolution to make it available for social media purposes only. So that's why I do that. After exporting or saving the photos into the edited folder on my computer for the client, I then go out to ShootProof and create a new gallery just for the edited photos. I will upload the photos into the gallery and then go into the gallery settings and select settings such as creating a password, how the gallery should look, when it will expire, and any automation emails needed to send to the client throughout the period before the gallery expires. I will also connect the client's email address to the gallery so I can easily send the photos to the client once they are uploaded. While the photos are uploading in the edited gallery, I will go back to the non-edited photos, the photos that weren't selected for additional editing, and add the same expiration date to this gallery and make the gallery active so it can be in line with the edited photos. I will then go ahead and send the photos to the client and use an email template that I already have created. And I will do this for both the not edited and edited photos. All right, I hope you enjoyed the behind the scenes, this 3-week series of what I do exactly after a photo shoot for each of my clients. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. Yes, yes. And if you have any questions, or if you want to know some other things that photographers do behind the scenes, or anything you would like to learn about photography, leave that down below in the comment box and I will get to them and answer them in a later video. And make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell hit so you'll be notified when all of my videos are released. Videos come out on Tuesdays and Thursdays outside of Vlogmas. But during Vlogmas 2021, videos come out from December 1st to December 25th every single day. And on my channel, I'll talk about all things travel photography and the environment. So it's free, and so you might as well go ahead and hit subscribe, and that'll be a wonderful Christmas present, holiday present to me. Okay, thank you. And make sure you share this video with your friends, family, and social media networks because they may be interested in photography and knowing what to do next. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are. Bye.